Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. And today's card is going to be using the Flowering Rain boots. I'm going to use the wellies. Do you call them wellies or galoshes? The tulips, and also the free Designer Series paper, Sunshine and Rainbows, that you can get during Sale-a-bration, January through February 2022. And you can see I've already started using that. They're just wonderful colors in here. And for every $50 US dollars, you could get this for free. Comment below or send me an email and I will let you know how to get that. So sit back, relax, and let's make a card. And there you have it. A really pretty card. I love those wellies. Matching envelope and a decorated inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave some comments down below. And I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.